Yep, back with another video for you guys. Kind of a newish setup. We got everything underneath this little umbrella here. Guys, in Texas, it is hot, let me tell you. So we got all these guys underneath the umbrella. A new addition here, we got this is a different type of fig. This is a fiddle leaf fig tree. You guys would never guess the story behind that fig tree. We had it in a storage unit in Colorado for a year and 5 or 6 months. My wife went back there for other reasons, found it in a storage unit, brought it back, and guys, this plant hadn't had any water for a year and 5 months. We started putting water on it. Man, it came back. It didn't have any leaves on it. Isn't that amazing? Plants are amazing. So let's take a look at our guys right here. As you can see, you know, a lot of growth, but at the same time, we are getting some damage. Let me get in there for you. You see that? Some of that is that sun damage over here too. That's sun damage right there. Let me back out of that there for you. Let's take a look at some of our larger guys here. As you can see, we have those nodes in there, right? Let me get all in there for you. Look at that. That's dope. My only hope is that these guys wouldn't burn off during the daytime. And so we come out here early in the morning and we put this umbrella up. Guys, let's go take a look at some of our other plants, like our crepe myrtles here. As you can see there, I did just put some water on these guys. They're looking kind of happy. Let's take a look at our champion over here. Is always doing good. As you can see, these flowers have all but burnt off. Yep. But they'll come back later on. Still pretty tall. Got another little seed pod about to pop open right there. Isn't that cute? Guys, look at it. Pretty cool. Let me get in there for you. Yeah. Yeah, so that's cool. So by the way, here's our other dog. It's our Yorkie. Hey, Oz. Hey, bud. Bye, bud. So here's our other crepe myrtle here, down here at the end. With our ElectroCulture, that vine is really loving that copper rod. Look at that, guys. All nice and cute. Still has the seed pods. Those seed pods those flower pods hadn't burnt off, so I think that they're gonna pop open at some point. Yeah. So guys, as you can see my face, you know that it is hot AF here in Texas, and I appreciate you stopping by, spending some time with us. You know, you could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to spend some time with me. I appreciate that, man. I really do. So I'll see you next time. Bye.